Aaron here from Honda Pilot Overland. It feels a little weird to say it, but today's the last day I'm announcing myself by that name. Well, my name's going to stay the same, but the channel name's not. Per my previous video, we kind of thought that it wasn't good to continue with dual trademark names in the YouTube channel name, so from here forward, we're going to be known as Goddard Adventure. I think it fits in line with the channel's kind of mission, which is family adventure education. We want to continue to be role models and continue to be an encouragement to those who are either just starting with families or currently have families. We want to encourage people to get out there and have their adventures, to start within their means. You don't have to have big adventures. It can be small adventures. You could literally just go right over there in that field, right next to the woods with your family and start looking and exploring. You'd be amazed at how enjoyable it is. We live in a day and age where we have electronics at our fingertips. We've got the internet right there. And sometimes life can feel a little boring. I know that if you're inside watching TV or playing video games, life ceases to feel as rewarding. And when you go out on adventures, especially an adventure that starts getting into the unknown a little bit, starting to experience maybe some adversity or a real challenge, that's when you start really feeling alive. Me personally, I always feel the most alive when I'm freezing cold. I don't know what it is about shivering, but it makes me feel so alive. Not everybody likes that. Not everybody likes going on adventures, but maybe those people can just watch the channel and kind of live vicariously through us. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on too much. We're looking forward to continuing with the consistent posts on Thursday. We've got a video going live tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern. Hope you guys tune in, check it out. If you guys have any ideas for video, any video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like the channel name, give us a thumbs up. We'll catch you guys next time. I mean tomorrow. Aaron out.